hold on, Sophia.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, hit the gas. See your wheels? Your wheels are this way, so you're gonna go right to Mama. Go ahead.
Whoa!
And put that on the R.
That means you're gonna go backwards, reverse.
That's reverse. Go ahead, hit the gas. Hold on, Sophia.
You're going backwards now.
Go ahead. Just hit the Alright.
Like that, baby.
Alright. Turning it off.
This is for driving outside. That was just a little lesson.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be a nice day today.
What do you think?
I want the one.
Sophia, what do you think?
When
Yeah.
the sun comes out today, we can take it outside.
Beep, 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 daddy.
Okay, beep, beep. You, Sophia.
This is fun.
You love it?
And now get out.
Hey, Madeline, can you say thank you, Tim?
Thanks.
Tim. Tim gave me this.
Oh.
Can you say, Tim? Mama's friend Tim. Can you say thank you, Tim?
Tim, Mama.
Say thank you.
Tim. And I get on this side. Baby, daddy. Pull this. Okay.
What are you pulling?
This.
Oh no, honey. Sneaky McSneaky saw where you plugged it in.
What?
She's already trying to look up the hood.
No, that's Daddy only. That gets the hood, okay? Yes, Daddy.
You'll play outside.